India, the land of diversity. Each state in the country is home to several communities which live in harmony with each other while preserving and upholding their own distinct cultures and traditions. From Kashmir to Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan to Assam, our country is blessed with amazing natural beauty. India's heritage is considered as one of the richest in the world. Our country is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Indian culture is known as a way of life and to live life. It is a mixture of many cultural systems and make India a diversified country. Variety is the spice of life, and this spice is spread all over India. On the world map, what makes India stand out is its diverse communities. In this particular video, we will be discussing the vivid cultures of Rajasthan and Assam.
It is a style of cooking that is a confluence of cooking habits of the hills that favor fermentation and drying. Bihu is a set of three important Assamese festivals in the Indian state of Assam, that is Rongali Bihu observed in April, Kongali Bihu observed in October, and Bhogali Bihu observed in January. Rajasthani cuisine was influenced by both the warlike lifestyles of its inhabitants and the availability of ingredients in this arid region. Rajasthan is very well known for its hospitality, vibrant culture, royalty, history, and rich heritage. The Rajasthani culture and tradition and famous festivals of Rajasthan give you a factual sight of its prosperous inheritance.
Rajasthan is principally a Hindi-speaking region in its various dialects. Rajasthani comprises of 5 primary dialects: Marwari, Mewari, Dhundari, Mewati, Haroti, along with several other forms. Assamese language, Eastern Indo-Aryan language, that is official language of Assam state of India.
Rajasthan is home to all the major religions of India. Hindu are largest in number and other religions are Muslims, Sikhs, Jains, etc. Most of the Assamese follow Hinduism, and then the second largest religion in Assam is Muslim, and the remaining population follows Christian and Sikhs, etc.
It's been more than 2000 years that various traditional crafts have emerged in Assam. The traditional crafts like pottery and terracotta work, brass craft, jewelry making, musical instruments making, cane and bamboo crafts, silk and cotton weaving, and woodcraft are a major source of employment for the people of Assam. Assam has a rich heritage of its peculiar art, culture, and architecture.
Dance forms of Rajasthan. Ghumar, which is performed to worship goddess Saraswati. Kathputli, the famous form of Indian puppetry. Kalbelia, also called Sapera dance performed by Kalbelia tribe. Dance of Assam. Bihu, the most popular folk dance of Assam. Bagurumba dance, which is performed by the Bodo tribe.
Some monuments of Assam are Talatal Ghar, Agnigarh, Ujjainata, Rangghar, and some monuments of Rajasthan are Jaisalmer Fort, Amer Fort, City Palace Jaipur, Kumbhalgarh Fort, Hawa Mahal.
Music of Assam consists various genres of folk and modern music. Instruments used are sifang, pepa, or dogor. Rajasthan has a diverse collection of musician castes including Langas, Sapera, Bhopa, Jogu, and Manganayar.